ke School Alpha English High Secondary School anong po kalau pelong ya kejing rakhi ke bakhara mentah kasngi banlek buram ki kena school kibalala banlek bahagi eksamen SSLC buat HSSLC ini ke program kebalalong hafala juga ni ke school lawan bani simenta du MLI kanong po uba miral bonds im kumukongsan kalau chan demi marak GRDO umling CNR di blok kum kesembut kongsan di principal juga ni ke school IWK bela ringkat bagi kami kepa bagi kena pulih di mulai don lang badrak hikmen ngani ke jing job joki haba aji keran hangani ke sengi uba miral bonds im walaupun pa ke jing sohon baci so sarong jong u alor ke jing job joki di kena pulih mulai ro jing kristom juga school walaupun pa ru ke jing wak sarkar ke kendu akwan wanra ke pulih dangli babha uba asim la bonjor ru baku bunang tauan kadai ke kamram jong u banyai trestom na kabenta penbahas isu ika puli putih da kaba penting na bagi kena puli kiyo ikilat kikabu kebabiang tam na kabenta bakin kiyo susu berbanyo ikjing job ka puli putih juki
Parents who have opportunity to send your children within the state or outside the state, we wish you all the best. Present who cannot afford to send their children for further studies outside the state, we wish you all the best. But I'm not wrong to say that parents have sacrificed everything. You don't dikiri cepat, ban penbit penbiang, yang jing don kam, yang ikun. Kita sim nagaram kasya kalun, yang profesional lun, ban kiwi. Ban penting kena bagi kun iksi video di inyo yang jing pulih kabah. Indon yang kelawi kabah pernai. Nikit bok kirwang, yang kimi kipat. Ki malakri sistem, ki malakri syam, yang ikun di jumpi. Student with free education. This is one of the good initiatives that you have taken. We congratulate the school management. Keep it up. Hats off to this initiative. At the same time, to those students who have had this opportunity, this privilege. But the government is with the people of the state as much as it can to ensure that different facilities is being provided at different levels. Financial assistance, grant aid, salaries of the teachers, infrastructure to the school. I'm not wrong to say in the past also, Alpha English Higher Secondary School have received various financial assistance from the government. But that will not be enough without the dedication, the hard work, and the facilities that yourself as management that you have contributed toward this beautiful institution that has been created in this beautiful town. Despite of all the challenges, we are here today to ensure that the future of all the students who are here, they will see the light of the days in days to come. Probably with parents, there are certain instances that I have come across. There are students who gijungi kibom nang ban buram, dia gikimi kipa. Kibom nang ban buram, dia ginong hikai. Kibom nang ban buram, dia gibahalot. Ngamong babarok dilong mukaem. Kakto ni gidon, kibong nang ban buram. They don't know how to respect others. They don't know how to recognize. They don't know how to acknowledge whatever the parents, the teachers, the guardian, they have done for them. Iklet no. Ye gijing le bhai, tristom, ye gijing led lade. Jong kinong sumar yengi. kila bende ki kimi kipa kila bende ki bahing ki basem kila bende ki nong hikai nak school bayi sumah ban mau bagi di benang ban buram yang kijing lek ha jong ki kimi kipa jong ki nong hikai kijing ngalai i jong ki kemat ki don ki kena tang na gadau bagi kimi kipa kim di ki benang besar alam ki hukum kita hijau ke umat abai i hukum ini ki jinja ki baca